Now it's time to modify battery for this model, for C24 Truck WPL. I'll be adding this battery case, attaching it with the cable to the cable I have here. And the idea is to put this battery case this way so that I have two 1865 batteries connected to this car, which will allow me to run this car for longer times. The factory battery was not powerful enough for this car, and I like driving cars for longer times, so check out how I'm doing this.